Follow these instructions to install Pella's exclusive innovation, the hidden screen for Pella Lifestyle Series double-hung windows. Visit installpella.com for downloadable installation instructions. The hidden screen can be installed from your home's interior. To install the hidden screen, first unlock and raise the lower sash 3 to 4 inches. Tilt in the sash by pushing on the flexible jam liner above the top rail of the lower sash and pulling the top of the sash toward you. Tilt the sash to the interior, just like if you were preparing to wash your window. Let it rest in a downward position. Use the provided alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean the exterior metal surface of the bottom rail. This is what the strike will adhere to. If you are retrofitting the hidden screen on older windows, cleaning this area thoroughly is important, or else the strike will not adhere properly. Allow the surface to dry completely before proceeding to the next step. Next, dry fit the strike without removing the adhesive backing paper. On the exterior metal surface of the bottom rail, position the hooked edge over the bottom of the bottom rail metal and make sure the strike is centered across the length of the bottom rail. Once you have dry fit the strike, remove the paper from the back of the adhesive on the strike. Position the strike with the adhesive facing down. Hook the strike over the edge of the bottom rail and center it on the sash before pressing down. Once the strike adhesive is against the metal surface of the sash, the strike cannot be removed or repositioned. Apply pressure across the strike by firmly pressing down to secure it to the sash. Tilt the sash up and re-engage it in the frame by pressing the top sash corners into the jam liner grooves one at a time. Then, raise the lower sash all the way up. From the interior, hold the screen assembly frame with 2 hands with the bristle strip facing up and pass it through the window opening toward the exterior. Align the bottom black corner lock tabs with the exterior jam liner grooves and press the tabs into the grooves. Slide the bottom tabs down until they are at the base of the window frame. Pull the top of the assembly towards the interior to snap it into place. Apply pressure towards the interior on all 4 sides of the screen frame to secure it in place. Finally, to activate the hidden screen, completely lower and close the lower sash. Push past any resistance until an audible click is heard. Raise the sash to confirm screen operation. If you need to disengage the screen, grasp and push the control bar out toward the home's exterior and tilt it away to disengage the screen from the strike. To re-engage it, completely close the lower sash, pushing past any resistance until an audible click is heard. The screen is once again engaged. You have successfully installed the hidden screen for Pella Lifestyle Series double-hung windows. You are now ready to enjoy a clear view, more natural light, and more fresh air.